Well, Freddie, this one is for you since you've been on me about putting out another video. Just finishing up some stuff that I should have done a month ago. I've got maybe, I don't know, 10 colonies that don't even have an entrance reducer. So all I'm doing is just going around and sliding entrance reducers in. It's about, I don't know, 55 degrees. Not a lot of bee traffic going in and out today. Had a good bit of rain last night. Been in a drought for a couple of months and we got a couple of inches of rain. I think we're still about 8 inches of rain down for the year. But just catching up on some stuff, I'll take you over here and show you one that got tired of waiting on me. If I can remember where it's at. Had one that completely got tired of waiting on me and started gluing the entrance up themselves. This one right here got tired of me. They started gluing it up and I tore it down before I decided to start the video. I think it's over here. Yeah, this one right here, you can see the propolis that they're pulling down. I just set the entrance reducer down and never actually put it in, so I'm going to tear that down. I want to actually put a correct entrance reducer in that one. That's all I'm doing today is just collecting junk out of the yard. Needs to go in the workshop and be fixed, be put up. I'm putting entrance reducers in. There's, as you can see on my 3/4 inch entrance reducer, haven't got one in that one. Threw that big block on there to stop that one. That's it. That's all that's happening today. Like I said, it's in the 50s, windy. Just had a bunch of rain last night, so hope you guys are enjoying your either winter break or spring build-up, depending on where in the world you are. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees.